buy a ticket, you don't end just because you don't win the big bucks. You end with a lot of money.
Ready? Yeah. Try not to hit it. And I gotta jump over it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
The Lincoln Dollhouse.
So, we can put this house back together. Yeah.
We stand away searching for